Hello, today is 761st episode Sanskriti Kolkata and I'm Lalia. Today's episode will be on hand-woven exclusive variety of Banarasi sarees for you because of the upcoming festive season. Pujo is almost here and we are also keeping our showroom open from every day, August, end of July to September till Durga Pujo. First week of October, we are open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night for you. Video call options available, online shopping available. Regularly, we are uploading videos, short videos, and reels, Instagram posts. So check out our social media pages for regular updates. Also watch our status regularly whenever there is new collection, restocked items on high demand. We put it up in our status, your pictures, notifications. So you have to give us some time. This is a very, very beautiful pure tussar in silver zari Meena. Color is kesar, very nice sharbati color, and the best part of this is the silver zari. Very beautiful piece with a heavy rich pallu, number 1. Gorgeous pastel color, rare combination silver zari, tussar Banarasi. Now antique zari with brush painting done. So we have come up with very modern patterns and concepts in tussar. Also in traditional items, traditional sarees, we've come up with very contemporary modern look, keeping in mind the modern women. So this is a very, very pretty color. We have more colors. I'll show you color options in tussar Banarasi with antique zari. Antique zari tussar Banarasi with painting, brush painting in the pallu part. The body is solid color, beautiful, heavy quality, and all our products today are hand woven. So this is the magenta. This is more of a golden zari, copperish gold zari in magenta. Look at the style and pattern, very beautiful. From your hips, this color will be solid color, and from the upper part, this zigzag pattern, isn't it? Can I see? Yeah, diagonal pattern, brush painting done by the karigar. So beautiful. So weaving one karigar and painting the other karigar. So, and of course the polish and finishing another karigar. So many people involved in this one particular sari for you. Blouse stitching options available, that is the tailoring unit in both our branches. Our branch address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We ship worldwide. Every day we are shipping regular. Our parcels are going throughout the world. And this is a tussar Georgette sari in Rankat pattern. Superb concept sari. Look at the reverse side. It's fully woven handloom. Every honeycomb box is shaded painting done in a Rankat pattern with a broad border blouse piece. Pure tussar Georgette in a stunning shade with a corner butta. Tussar Georgette, the lightweight of the Georgette and the richness of tussar together combines in a very beautiful concept of tussar Georgette hand-woven saris. These saris are known for their longevity and resilience. A combination of two pure fabrics. Beautiful concept from Benares. Unusual shades and concepts in tussar Georgette only possible by Sanskriti Kolkata. So here is a diagonal weave again with small buttas in between the weave and the color palette is so subtle and unique. These kind of color palette are very rare in Banarasi, and always, even though they are in pastel colors, they look so grand. Look at the lavender blouse piece with this. Saris which are rare, unique combination and concept. If you see the details of the weaving, you will understand that every panel where the weaving is done, it is in a darker color than the adjoining colors. with buttas. Very beautiful sari, and I have another color option for you. All these are mainly, this is a peachish color. Beautiful tone. All these are so rare, different look concept in pure Tussar Georgette. Just excellent. Any age can wear these. Gold zari. Very stylish. Pujo collections are all on display now. Visit the store, you won't be disappointed. And so many concepts of new varieties are coming regularly, be it Gadwal, Kalamkari, Pichwai, Petni, Baluchori, Sharnochuri, Kanjivaram, brocades, and so many more varieties, including the Banarasi saris that I'm showing today. Aqua color in gold, such a lovely shade. Even during the summer weddings, during the day also, these look so gorgeous. So Tussar Georgette, some very unusual pieces. Now I'll show a double katan. This is a beautiful sari with double zari, very, very unique. It has a very nice satin finish. The quality of silk is just too good, with a very dark purple border and red Rani Meena Butta, an exclusive handloom sari in gorgeous katan with the blouse piece. Today's Katan collection, just superb. Monotone saris, even the one that I'm wearing. Look at the color. Look at this stunning color combination in garnet. Magenta garnet color, wine type color, dark wine, and the border. So rich and so unique. This border with the matching butta. It's totally a piece of royal art. Just beautiful, just beautiful. It's so gorgeous, this sari. Quality of katan is so good. Beautiful. Wow, we have another color option in this. Just mesmerizing. Traditional jewelry. The border is so rich. And even the buttas, very rare butta. Look at the butta. It's really beautiful, really beautiful. The quality, the weight, I'm holding it in my body and it's looking just so superb. Feel is very, very good. Something from our Utsavi collection, Jal weaving. Sona Rupa Jal weaving from our Utsavi collection. A rare piece in dark bottle green, especially nowadays that the Bollywood actresses have started wearing a lot of Banarasis, especially in dark purple and these dark green tones. So these have become, and also Neeta Mani ma'am, they are these kind of saris she started wearing, and now the demand for Banarasis have increased triple. Good for the weavers, good for our Desi weavers. Love for local is always appreciated. It's a very beautiful piece, Sona Rupa Jal weaving in dark green, viridian green color, katan. Jal Katan Utsavi collection. This is another color which is very rare. It's neither powder blue nor grey, in between, a very nice shade. grayish blue, you can say, with again Meena Jal all over in pink and sea green, and the blouse. Daughter or son's wedding, the mother or mother-in-law can keep this as an option. This is beautiful. Double zari jal katan, unique color combination Banarasi sari. Don't miss out these rare pieces. Small buta Meena katan silk sari. With a buta blouse piece. This is not double katan, this is pure katan. Range is also much lesser. Very beautiful with small Meena butas throughout and gold zari. Midnight blue color. Very pretty. Traditional booty, small butas, nokshi par. Very nice sari. Oh my God. Just gorgeous. Satin katan, Meena Karua border pallu, blouse piece. First of all, previous one was 12,900 around. This is 10,000, almost 11,000 more. Why? Of course, you can see from the weaving, gold zari, the Meena, the double zari, pallu, adds up to the price, and also the fabric. Here we have a thread of katan, of course, and then a pure satin weaving like mushroom along with the katan silk yarn. So that adds up to the price. It's really beautiful, and iska buta. It's very, very rare, beautiful, all over small buta with this rich blouse piece. This very beautiful inch border, I wouldn't say an inch, it's just a gold piping, and with stunning paisley pallu. The finish of the sari is unique, and so is the blouse piece. Just amazing sari. Neighbors envy, owners pride. This kind of saris are very vintage yet so modern, rare. Master weaver sari, 18,900. Master weaver sari, and awestruck. Another one that I'll display, it's a reddish color with a dual tone of pink. Can you see the reverse side? You can understand that it has a yarn of pink. All Karua buta satin finish, just out of the world saris. Very vintage, very rare, with heavy butas in the blouse and no border. You can see a very, very narrow, sleek border with very unique butas as well for this. Price remains same. Color totally different, buta different. Again, the close-up of the blouse piece. Don't miss out these saris. Rare pieces in your wardrobe, and look at the pallu as well. The body buta has been, woven in such a pattern that it is giving a very rich pallu look. Also for this big and small paisley, both very unique, rare pieces. One of my favorites actually in Banarasi saris. Then comes the, just a minute. Here, let me remove this. Then comes another gorgeous tissue katan jal weaving Banarasi. Tissue katan jal weaving Banarasi in a lilac color. Very pretty Sona Rupa Jal. Fine weaving, very subtle touch of tissue, but the look is just grand. The color. I'll show another lovely color. I have sea green and peach in this also, displayed in previous Banarasi videos. If you want, we can send you the picture. This is the aqua color of the similar tissue katan handloom sari. Rare pieces. The weaving is very gorgeous. Lightweight, मोनोटोन, सिंगल कलर, लेकिन इसमें जो दो कलर सोना रूपा का वीविंग है उसमें लुक बहुत सुंदर आ रहा है. बहुत ही सुंदर कलर कॉम्बिनेशन एंड ऑल्सो द पल्लू. इफ यू सी हाउ वेल द पल्लू इज डन, सो आई मीन very vintage and very traditional. Old charm is there, a very old charm is there in this weaving pattern of this katan. Now something very rare, a tissue woven satin katan sari. Rare piece, rarely comes with this mushroom. These are basically mushroom saris, katan mushroom with tissue. And look at the blouse piece and pallu. Just beautiful hand woven sari. Just beautiful. Very pretty, very pretty. Just one piece. Now, very fine tissue woven Banarasi in yarn of Karua, very fine katan and tissue in silver zari. Color is a pale rose pink color, very light shade, and if you see the jal technique pattern, then you will understand why it is expensive. And also the blouse piece. This is the sari. Pure tissue, pure katan woven, very light pink. This will be a heritage piece in your wardrobe. Generations, rare piece, very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. In tissue katan, we have few more exclusive pieces, master weaver saris. This is just pure love. Beautiful sari, really beautiful. And look at this. एक से बढ़कर एक unique collection in this video for you. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp 7603042696. We ship worldwide, and do not message multiple numbers, only one number. If you are booking that number, give your payment details to only that particular number, not multiple numbers. Video call options available 10:30 in the morning to 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening, whole day. Anytime you can do video call. Men's collection and jewelry is in the Cornfield Road branch. Budget friendly saris is in the Jamilian branch. This is a unique piece with tissue and texture weaving in zigzag. Very, very unique copper zari, and it's with this is the actual zari color. Look at this, pure tissue zari with katan weaving done. These are rare. I mean, what to say, so lightweight because it's pure. Another stunning katan silk with a mina pallu. Body has no mina except for the lower border, and look at the rarity and concept of the lower border. Very abstract, and it is not in a particular line. It is just going with the flow of the weave. And the pallu, rare pieces. I mean, these are just art from our Utsavi collection. unique, rare, classy, and heritage piece of exclusive weavers karigari in your wardrobe. Just stunning piece. Color, pattern, the combination, the look, everything is 100%. I mean, just 100 on 100. Red katan. This is a very traditional katan with Nokshi border, and the best part is this touch of Rani color with the Rani blouse. These are mainly for bridal wear. Those who want a nice combination of red Rani, beautiful piece and unique. Small buttas, Nokshi border, very pretty. Here we have a gap border, very nice, beautiful sari. Let me know how you are liking our collection, and if you like, please do subscribe to our channel. Lot of effort, hard work, constant. The thought process, the behind the scene is really tedious, trust me. But we are still striving. Here this is a dark navy blue color with all over jal weave. This was the greyish powder blue that I showed earlier, similar type in all over navy blue color katan, very pretty. Jal katan, Utsavi collection. Our Banarasis from our Utsavi collection was a super hit, and very rarely this weaver, lot of time it takes to get back these variety of Utsavi collections. So whenever there is some 5-6 pieces that I get from this collection, I try to display in the Banarasi video. Beautiful piece. In rich gold and multicolored Meena Jal Katan. Another one, purple. It's actually a dark purple, not the loud color. Little, you can say a magenta purple, very pretty color, burgundy purple. Very nice, very beautiful shade. All over weaving, and the best color that I'm liking in this, the out color, is the teal. The use of teal in this shades is really, usually purple and teal, we can't think it when we are buying dresses and all, but see, this is the technique of the weaver. What a beautiful out color, and because of this teal, this sari is looking totally different. Now, lastly, I'll show a few Pune silks for you. These are pure silk saris, very lightweight, beautiful, and you can really go out anywhere wearing these silks. Those who like good silk in beautiful combinations. This yellow color with gold silver zari, very, very pretty piece. With the blouse piece. Usually Pune silks are, these are all woven, and from Benares. Usually Pune silks are, monotones, they look very nice. With tassels, very gorgeous pure silk saris. Loving the yellow shade, isn't it? Very classy, beautiful shade of yellow with gold and silver buttas and border. Another very smart Pune silk is this magenta check sari, Rani type magenta, more of a Rani. This check silk, Pune silk with circular chakra motif in the border. Beautiful, very smart silk. I had worn a green in this, and it was a super hit for a show. I had worn in one of a fashion show I had done. It's so beautiful. This is, those who don't even know me had come up and asked me what sari is this. This is so rare. Comes with this running blouse piece. Number 25, 10,900. Pure silk. Look is really gorgeous. You can style it in multiple ways, wearing contrast blouse or with a gold blouse also. A very ornated border silk sari katan in a deep red color. Beautiful sari. Today's katan silks are really rare. Don't miss out, all for the Pujo season. This is so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Rich red, deep red, maroonish red color. This shade is unique. And the blouse piece. Wow. This is a beautiful silk sari. Number 26. This is a beautiful, this is not a katan, sorry, this is a Pune silk sari. Very, very gorgeous sari, beautiful. I'm just loving this. I'm so mesmerized with the border pallu look of the sari. It's just beautiful, just beautiful. Pune silk, red. A black with silver zari. Wow, just wow, look at the buttas. Stunning piece in gold and silver in Pune silk. Pune silk, silver zari, stunning, stunning, stunning. I love the fall of Pune silks. Budget friendly, pure and very experimental modern pieces have been done in these Pune silks. Jet black. Classy, very classy. Pop in. Rare collection from pure Pune silk sarees. Look at the border. Just gorgeous. Very gorgeous silk. Very gorgeous. Mind blowing. I wish I'd kept this for myself. This is really beautiful. Color options for the sari that I am wearing. An ornated scallop border. Very nice sari, very pretty, and comes with a mustard blouse piece. Rich combinations in all the Pune silks that I showed today. The one that I'm wearing comes with this blouse piece, 12,900. Beautiful shade. Dark navy, rich ornated scallop border, rich pallu. And here is the blouse piece for you, 12,900. The mala that I'm wearing comes with this earring. 3200 is the set. $3200 is the set. Sari price 12,900. Puna silk in dark poppin navy color. You can see in a very rich pallu and tassels. Lastly, something very gorgeous I'll show you. Tassar Banarasi. Handloom Karua border. Sari is just super soft. Pura makhan jaisa hai. Is very rare. I can't believe that this sari, the whole border is resham woven. Just satin finish border and tassar body. Exclusive Karua weave buta. All over this, the fabric, you will just go gaga when you will wear it. So soft. How can a Tassar Banarasi, unique, not the regular one, Muga Tassar Banarasi be so super soft and unique? Now, this is the softness of the blouse. Similar, this is so soft. And now I'll just show you why it is pricey. Look at this. Very rare piece. Just class apart. Reverse side. Look at the weaving. Neighbor's envy, owner's pride. So let me just show you once again the beauty of this Karua Tassar Banarasi in satin border. Thank you so much.